Hello, I'm Dr. Michelle Halyard. I'm a radiation oncologist here at the Mayo Clinic in Arizona. I treat breast cancer patients with high-energy x-rays, and often I'm involved in discussions with patients about their treatment options after they've been diagnosed with breast cancer. One of the biggest decisions that a woman will make is whether she chooses to have a mastectomy, where her breast is removed totally, or whether she chooses breast conservation, where we perform what we call a lumpectomy, where just the tumor is removed, and quite often that's followed with radiation therapy. It's important for women to know that many studies have shown that the survival between mastectomy and breast conservation is equivalent. It's very important for a woman to understand her treatment options and to spend time talking with her doctors about her treatment options. There are many factors that go into making the decision between mastectomy and breast conservation, including the tumor size or extent of disease, the size of the tumor in relationship to the woman's breast, and most importantly, or as importantly, the patient choice. Here at Mayo Clinic, we have many specialists that help the woman make that decision, including surgical oncologists, plastic surgeons, radiation oncologists, and medical oncologists. We take a lot of time in meeting with our patients to help her become comfortable with the treatment decision, one of the most important decisions that she'll make. The take-home message is spend time talking with your doctors, know your treatment options, and make sure you make a decision that you're comfortable with. Thank you.